Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you app review, how to use a particular app. In this channel, I focus on arbitrage and app review. So today we are going to check up on a app and see how the interface look like, how to register on the app, how to use it for your own benefit, and how to use it for let me call it arbitrage opportunity, like how to use it and make money. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that anytime I drop a video like this, you'll be the first to watch. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Okay, on my screen now you can see this app close to my email box. The name of the app is getup. See it here. You Let me click on it. All right, it's loading. Okay, it's loading. Okay, on the app you see welcome Henry. Click the button below to join our Telegram. So I don't want to join any Telegram channel for now. I click on cancel. Okay, also I will leave a link on my comment box, so anybody that is interested can click on the link and register and download the app. By clicking on my link, you will get a commission, or let me say you will get a reward or a percentage by using my link. Now I just created this account today for the purpose of the tutorial. So if you want to fund your account, okay, first of all let me explain this app. This app deals with buying of data at a cheaper rate. You can buy airtime, you can use this and make money. You can also use it for your own benefits. So first of all, if you want to, registering on this app is not hard. It's very simple. Just put your name, your email, your WhatsApp phone number, boom, you go. After registration, they will send you an email for you to verify your email. You just follow the instruction and verify your email, then all is done. So what you need to do, if you are new to this app, after registration you click on this fund wallet. You can see you can fund your account through bank transfer. You can also fund your account using your ATM card. I'm not going to fund now. I'm just doing for the purpose of this video. So I go back. So assuming you fund your account, let me say with 500 naira, you come here, you click on this place. Let me go back. You click on this place. These three lines at the right corner of your screen. You click on it. You see dashboard, fund wallet, referral programs, airtimes, airtime, e-pin, data coupon, cable, electricity, exam pins, fund betting wallet, account, transaction. You can complete factor authentication, app settings, support, lockout and privacy, all those things. So in this app you can actually person and get your own commission. You can buy airtime, you can generate airtime pin, you can buy data, you can also generate data coupon, ban data, cable. You can also recharge your electricity. You can also buy exam pin here, like jumping, all those kind pins. You can fund your betting wallet using this account. So what we are going to look today is data. We want to buy data, and I will also show you how you can use this and make money. Okay, as you can see, you want to, on MTN, if you want to buy data, you want to buy 500 MB of data, you will see the amount they will be selling the data for you is 130 naira, of which you can sell it to your friends as yes, of which you can sell it to your friends, let me say at 200 naira, and make your 80 naira profit. You can say sell it 80 naira times times, let me say, times 10 people in a day. You see you will be making money. So it's actually working. It's a good way to make money. And you can see, if you want to buy 1 gig of data, you, right now in my sim, if I want to subscribe for data, they will charge me 300. 1 gig data, they will charge me 350 naira for 1 gig, but here you can simply buy 1 gig for 260 naira, to show you that it's a very good platform, and you can use this for arbitrage. So where you can buy here very cheap and sell to your friends at a high rate and make your profit. You can see, so the app is actually profitable. It's making sense. So I recommend it to you guys to check up on it. And maybe some of you that have friends that, maybe some of the yahoo boys that don't go out to buy airtime, all those kinds, you can be subscribing for them and be making your cool cash. What you need to do is just insert their number here, just type in their number, the receiver's phone number here, put the amount of data the person wants, and you can also click here if you need airtel, you need Glo, 9 mobile, any kind of data. So you can just put in the network here, then you put the amount of data the person want to buy, either 1 gig, 500 MB, 2 gig, 3 gig, 5 gig, 10 gig. You can put it everything there, then you put the person's phone number on top of it here, and type in and just do your settings. Okay, once you put the phone number, you put the network, and you put the amount of data the person want to buy, and you send it to the person, and the person will credit you. Okay, like this 1 gig, you can sell it, let me say 300 or 300 naira, and make your profit. 500 MB, you can sell it 200 naira and still make your profit. So it's actually profitable. Thanks guys, just wanted to quickly show you this so that you can also use it and make money. I use it to make money at times. Yeah, I don't lack data. I buy data, yeah, very cheap, and sell it to my guys. So you can actually try this out. So please and please, if you are new to this channel, please, or if you just come across to this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel, so next time I drop a video, you'll be the first to watch. Thank you.